worn out.
All right, got Preston on the sticks here. This is on a, I don't even know what model that is.
Yeah.
Some kind of looking pylon looking racer. Got him going to do the maiden on it because he outflies circles around me and Jim now. Plus, I told him if he crashed it, he gets to make the walk.
I don't know if that's saying a lot or not, okay?
It's funny, Jim. We was teaching him how to fly 3 years ago, and now he flies circles around us.
About 5 years ago.
Oh, 5?
Yeah, hey, he's...
Huh?
I'm just going to get altitude as fast as possible. Altitude is afraid.
He's 18 now.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, he started... We figured it's been, 5 years.
Nose heavy?
I believe it is, yeah. It's got left into it. Whoa.
You got it?
Lost orientation.
Ah.
You did, or the plane?
Sorry, what?
You lost it, or the plane lost it?
No, I lost it.
Tip I learned a long time ago is the wheels usually go on the bottom. Unless you're one of them aerobatic pilots.
Yeah, I almost put that in. Because they're both orange on either side of the wing. Ooh.
Yeah, I noticed that. It's got
Set it down.
a blue blue canopy, but that's about it.
I think you need to shift the CG a bit. There we go.
All right, up and down one piece. Did it feel okay though?
It had a lot of right pull to it, so I had to put left in.
I mean, is it trimmed out now?
Yeah, it's like halfway trimmed.
Oh, okay.
It's just CG's off, so you should fix that first.
You got a weird impression.
First flight, attempted crash. Second flight, we will succeed.
Flies really.
All right, got flight number 2 with Preston on this Hobby Town custom blue and orange plane. We don't know what it is.
Really pitchy. He's got enough. Really wants to go up and down.
Porpoising?
Yeah.
Maybe tail heavy a little bit then.
Oh, is it?
Probably if it's porpoising, but you'll get the most out of the aerobatics with it that way.
Yeah. Whoa. Accidentally hit the switch for the aileron. Because it's got a lot of aileron. And I went into a higher rate. So.
Yeah, that should, with the that wing shape, it should let it do actual axial rolls, you know.
I'm gonna go ahead and land it, turn down my rate, and shift the battery forward. Do you remember where the CG is on it?
Or the what?
The CG?
It's usually going to be the front third of the wing core.
Okay. I'm just gonna bring it in. Oh, fast. Bounce.
Well, that's what the wheels are for.
Yeah. Hopefully flies better. Flying better.
Yeah, it looks good. I don't remember what size ESC I put in there, but I was thinking that it would be able to handle a 4S too.
Alright, go around. I'm not liking Ah, there we go.
Well, verdict?
It handles peculiarly, to put it the least.
That's probably why it was in the in the store for sale.
Yeah. Handles weird, but it flew good.
All right.